What is up, people of planet Earth? So, I decided to do a video of how I did my makeup for like a cosplay for Uraraka. I don't know why I say her name so weird, but a while ago I did this picture, whatever, you know, on my Instagram, whatever. I will put the picture. There you go. And yeah, basically for today's video I want to do like more fun stuff, more things I like to do, more like cool cosplay stuff that I never do anywhere else. So this is me, the face I was born with. Let's get started. So first we prime. I'm sorry, this lighting is terrible. Base tape from Tarte. I like it because it's really hydrating for me, and lately it is dry. Then we do foundation. I've always been using this, I don't know why, but I mix these two, 2.5, 1.9, and Morphe Fluidity foundation. I like it because it's comfortable, it's not so heavy, so I pretty much wear this all the time in like my fun pictures and like whatever, you know? So I put both. Juvia's Place Concealer from the 19. And she's a very bright character, so I'm gonna make her very bright, very fun and cute, just like she is. Now, I like to set my concealer with this one I've been using lately. So any setting powder you like for your skin. We want this to be bright under here. So it's all set, and then I just go back and set the rest with it. I just like to make sure concealer is all set. We go into contouring and such, and this is where you're really gonna create her blush and super cute glow. Like I just feel like she's just a very glowy, very energetic and cute looking character. So for contour, I'm gonna use the Lime Crime Sun Kiss base palette. You can see their shades: Salty, Golden Hour, all of that. Ooh, Jesus. So we take it out. This is what the palette looks like. Alright, I'm gonna use Toasty for contour. Definitely carve out the nose because she has a cute button nose that we want to make ours look like. I just kind of mostly go around the tip for her. We don't want a double chin, so I'm trying to make that non-existent as possible. Now we're gonna do blush. I'm gonna do Malibu, like that. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Sizzle and then mix some of this on top of that. And she's really blushy, so if you want to use a couple different blushes to kind of create her really cute blushness, like look at that. So now I'm going to Malibu because she's like glowy blush. And then I like to kind of blend it down a bit. Now I'm gonna go in with a highlighter, but it is a one-of-a-kind highlighter by Gina George. It's pink highlighter. I want all things pink and glowy. So this is a Jeffree Star highlighter. Ta-da! Nice and pink. Pink. Alright, and I'm just gonna kind of, because this will create more of that. The more pink, the better, honestly. It's like, soften it up there, you know? Actually, we didn't put any on our chin, so let's put a little there. Now, faces, we'll go back to it, but, oh, actually, I lied. I'm gonna do a little bit of frecklage, because, you know, it makes her more cute. And this is the Sun-Kissed Freckle Pen from Lime. So just to give her a little more of a skin effect, you know? I'm gonna just do my eyebrows pretty quick. She doesn't have really crazy brows, so I'm just gonna use Anastasia. And granted, you can use whatever brow stuff works for you, because it's your brows. But I did normal because I obviously don't have her shape of brows. The little stubs. I'm a giant kid. So I just kind of did more straight. You can, if you want, kind of put wax on them for you. I like to do that, but I don't have that. So, because she has kind of small like that. But I just did normal. And I'm gonna grab my concealer brush and kind of just clean up a little bit before we do the eyes. Alright, and I'm gonna do some brow gel. I'm just gonna use the Anastasia because I don't know, that's the first thing I grabbed. I'm just gonna and I believe it's a little colored brow gel. It's like a light brown. I did put it a little bit in my brows. I just went in like to lighten them up. Now for eyes, liquid eyeshadow, Nude Linen by e.l.f. Liquid eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put it all over my eye and spread it around. This is like a base coat for me. Because for her, I just did like the lightest eyeshadow because she has like big eyes and they're supposed to be bright, you know? I'm just gonna grab any palette. This is the BNHA Smooth. That's your one. And I'm just gonna grab the lightest shade. And here we go. Snow Cap, a shade just like that. That's what I use. And I just put it all over my lid. I think I mixed in between these two. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Now I'm gonna grab a normal color highlighter just to pop in the under eye and in here, and just to enhance my nose, get it brighter too. I'm actually gonna grab the Illuminating Eyelid highlighting palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna do Charmed right here and put that on my nose and other places just to enhance our little glow here. I'm all about that cheeky highlight. And then I'm gonna put in the inner corner and under my eye the brown bone.
Brow bone.
So I'm gonna go in with golden a little bit. So I like to do the jumbo eye pencil in milk right next. And my waterline just to make, because her eyes are big, man. So we're just gonna do. Now we are going to do mascara. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a random one, Ulta brand. We're gonna put lashes on anyway, so just to make sure it works for you. By the way, this is Limitless Lashes by Ulta brand. Just so you know. Alright, so while this is drying, I'm gonna do my lips. I honestly just did like a natural lip liner and some natural looking gloss. So I don't remember what exactly I used, but I know I used this gloss. So I'm just gonna do ColourPop BFF3 lip liner and Model Co lip lacquer. I don't know what shade this is. I don't know, but it looks like this. I'm just gonna toss over the gloss. Alright, almost done. So now, still not, well,
Hurry up, fucking dry.
I'm gonna show you what lashes I'm gonna use. These are the ones I always use. This is the ones I use, they're Wispies from Salon Perfect. They're 614 is the number. There, that side, there, 614. They did change the packaging. They used to be like Go Glam, whatever. I love when lashes are winged out. I don't know why, I just make my eyes look bigger and cuter. Duh. So now I am going to put the finishing touch and we'll see how we feel. Bobby pins. This gloss is gonna get all over. Alright, should have waited to do that. So I cut these things to make them more like PC. I don't know, I don't think I did too good of a job, but whatever. It's only my job to cut hair, right? But I did cut this wig to like shape it. One of this also has been in the bag for a while. So it's doing some things, some flippy flips. Look how cute! Uraraka. Look at him! He's so cute. Like me. Oh my. Him a cute too. So this is my Ochako cosplay makeup, cosplay wig. I did cut the wig to shape it better so it wasn't so like, it was a weirdly cut, I don't know. But I have little baby bangs. They're so cute. They're kind of to the side like that. Let me know what you guys think of how I cut this wig. Now, I mean, it's been in my bag for a while, so it's like used to sitting weird. But you can see the shape. Let me know what you guys think of the makeup. It's really simple. She's a pretty simple character to cosplay. It's more you gotta find her outfits and her accessories of her hero uniform, which I have like a spandex bodysuit, but I don't have like her little neck thing, her little gravity bands for her wrists, or like the shoes and the belt. Anyone wants to lend me a costume so I can take cool pictures and go to ASAM, please message me on Instagram, toexjam with 2 M's. It's me. But yeah, I've always wanted to do more like cosplay videos on the simple characters I like to cosplay as. Also, if you ever do a cosplay or like my recommendations off the video, if you post a picture, tag me on Instagram or like show me your pictures if you have cosplayed as Ochako. I want to see them, so please tag me. Let's be friends. Please, 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 please.